And we're going to read Bing's Rainy Day Treasure Hunt. Round the corner, not far away, the weather's wet and rainy today. What can we do today, Flop? How about a treasure hunt, Bing? You ready? Zach, you ready? I'll go and hide these things around the house and you can see if you can find them. So do you want to pull the flaps down, see what he's hiding? An owl. What's the next one? A car. Where's the car? A duck.
A carrot.
A carrot.
Froggy.
Froggy, soggy froggy.
Duck.
A building block. Hang on a sec.
Umbrella.
An umbrella. Right. First, Bing goes to look in his bedroom. I'm good at treasure hunts, Flop. Should we do the flaps in the bedroom? What's this one? The owl. Next one.
No, that's a boat.
That's not right, that's a boat.
Okay. You are.
What's that?
Duck.
Duck. Right. Then Bing goes to look in the bathroom. Can you help him?
Hairbrush.
Hairbrush. Brush, brush, brush. What's that? Hello, Hoppity.
Hello, Hoppity.
Is this one? There's
Yeah.
the umbrella. The umbrella.
Yeah.
Now Bing goes to the kitchen. Where shall he look? In the drawers?
Yeah.
Banana. And the carrots. So the bananas weren't one of them, but the carrots was. And in here, what's that?
Froggy.
Soggy froggy. Now, the last room is the living room. What's left for Bing to find? The car. The block.
Tissue.
Tissues. Tissues wasn't on the list, was it? The remote wasn't on the list, but the remote's there. Bing has found everything. Look, Flop, they all make a rainy bow. Indeed, good for you, Bing Bunny. And now it's stopped raining. There's one more thing to find. Do you want to do this one? It's a rainy bow. And what does that go along with? You've got a rainbow in your window, haven't you? You've got a rainbow in your window for people to see.
Rainbow.
That you drew in your window. What did you say? Say bye-bye.